Yeah. Today the high secondary exams have started at 16 centers all over Goa. This year, a record number of 16,913 students are answering the exam, of which 5,222 are science stream, commerce stream 5,142, arts 3,746, and vocational 2,803. So the exams will continue till 22nd of March. The paper which was originally kept on 11th of March has now been postponed to 22nd March because of the counting of elections of the Goa Assembly. Usually we declare the results by the first week of May. So if everything goes as per plan, we might be able to declare this year a bit earlier than usual.
The paper, English paper was really very good. We have studied and we hope for a good result.
My name is Ganesh. I am from Sri Ganesh High Secondary School. The paper was easy for those who study and I answered.
आणि आयचो पेपर आसलो तो आमचो खूप इजी आसलो आणि आमी 100% रिजल्ट दिवपा खातीर आमच्या स्कुला खातीर ट्राय करूं शकता.
This is my second board exam. I have already answered a 10th board exam. It was nice paper. Whatever her teacher has taught us, that only had come. So it was easy.
It was a wonderful experience that having this exam, and I worked a lot. Last night I didn't sleep properly, so I did my best, and I think I'm going to pass with the good marks.
12th आर्ट्सान शिकता. हांव आतां सारस्वत कॉलेजीचे स्टुडंट. आतां आमचो पेपर आतां आन्सर केला. इट वॉज अ गुड पेपर. नॉट व्हेरी इजी, नॉट व्हेरी टफ. एंड बरो आसलो. इंग्लीश पेपर जालो बरो आशिल्लो. इट वॉज नॉट व्हेरी टफ. इट वॉज इजी, नॉर्मल. द पेपर वॉज व्हेरी गुड.